Guys, it's your average investor here, and today I'm going to be helping you answer the question, how do I make money on my Android or iOS device? So I was studying and looking into this CoinPot website, which is a cryptocurrency and micro earning wallet, I would say. And let's say before we even start, once you go to the Play Store and then you search how to make money or make money fast or something weird on Google Play Store and think it's an app, that you have to download other apps just to play and make a couple of cents or a penny, or not even yet. You have to level up and it takes so much time just to play and try to make at least $1. Well, here I decided just to go to the Google Chrome and search up CoinPot, since I've been into the crypto market for quite some time already. I'm not an expert, none of that other jizzy jazz. This is just something I've been doing for a little bit. So I figured I made an account with this CoinPot thing, and I made also an account with, you can see right here, CoinPot, BitFund, Bonus Bitcoin, Moon Doge, Moonlight, Moon Dash, and Moon Cash. This is the one. Once you go to these different websites, they pay out Bitcoin, Litecoin, and all this other stuff to this one certain website right here, which is CoinPot. I'll put all the links down in the description of the websites I use to, I guess, get Bitcoin for free and make some money from it. So I made a video previously whenever I only had 0.002 Bitcoin. Now I have 0.003 Bitcoin. But the only reason I stopped the other video is because it actually showed out my IP address when as it automatically signed out of my account. So I have to make another video just now. And as you can see, I'm at 12 already. The other one I was at 0 just like 5 seconds ago. Look, I just received more Bitcoin from Moon Bitcoin. So if we refresh the page, that 12 token should be more. And the way I'm doing this is because I have a bot running in my home, and it automatically goes and solves the captcha in order to get Bitcoin. I have 3 websites that make me some money, just like this one. And people solve the captcha, they see advertising, they either click on one of the ads, which has my referral link. You see one up to 18 tokens, or they see the advertisement. Just by seeing it, I get money from advertising. I get money from commission if they purchase like a Ledger wallet or something from a website that I advertise, and make money from referrals. Like this one, I can make money from referrals. I have about 6 referrals in Bitcoin, Moon Bitcoin, some other referrals in Doge, some in Light, some in Dash, and some in Bitcoin Cash. So if I really wanted to, I can stop everything and just live off of the referrals I have. And the more they become profitable, the more they earn, the more money I earn without even working for it, without even using a bot or anything. They just recently put in this challenge star token thing, which gives you the chance to make even more Bitcoin. And for the first user, what does it say this? For the first user, first place winner will receive 10 million tokens. So I just, on my last video, I had 1,100 tokens, and that gave me, I think, 2,900 Bitcoin. And yeah, so I mean, as you can see, it's really easy. Daily faucet claim. So if I claim 300 faucets, I haven't did this 300 times. I have a bot that does that, because I can't do that every 5 minutes or 15 minutes. That's crazy. So I have a faucet for every 500, so I'm almost there at 5. I get 200 tokens, 2 stars for every, what is this, monthly? The other one was daily. So every day I can have the chance to claim 500 tokens. This is going to be monthly, so every month I have the chance to claim 500 tokens and 5 stars. This is all times, so this is obviously going to eventually work its way up to the 500 tokens and 5 stars. This is referrals, so this is a cool one. So all-time referral commissions or faucet claims. So far I have some people that claimed 774 times in total together, which made me more money. So this is real easy to do. I mean, I'm gonna make another video on my YouTube channel I'm gonna leave a link in the description of the bot I use, how easy it is. I can't really record it right now because I'm at my active income job while I'm making money on my passive income job. But once I get home, or maybe tomorrow or some other day, I can show you how my bot works and how to actually look. There goes another 19. So I made tokens plus the Bitcoin, and so yeah, this is just all passively. I mean, you can see me just making a video, and I'm just making money from it, from doing nothing. So it's pretty cool. So I mean, yeah. Look, there goes the Doge now. I got a 0.29 Doge and plus 19 Bitcoin, or Satoshis, as I would say, or most people would. I can leave a link in the description of all the faucets I use. I'll leave a link to this website if you would like. I just seen this lady run off her dog, or some other dog, a poor little thing. Yeah. So I'm just letting you know. I mean, this is how easy it is. Imagine you having a faucet website yourself and supporting it with this. So if I can make, last night I made 0.0002 Bitcoin by doing nothing. So I just woke up, and on my faucet website, my minimum payout is 0.001. 3 O's in one. So it's going to take somebody about 2 days, 3 days in order to get that 0.001. And it takes me one night to make 2 of those. So let's say if 2 people can do that every other day, then I can easily pay out those 2 plus another 2 by having a bot run during the day and in nighttime. So I'll be 4. So I make 0.004 Bitcoin, not including my commissions, not including my other referrals I have on other websites, and not including advertising. So I mean, I'm not spending no more money. My initial investment was, I think, $200-$300, and I got my website started, got paid Bluehost and all this other stuff just to get my website going. And now I'm just here, just letting it be passive and not putting not another dollar into it, because I want it to be a passive income. I don't want to be an expense for me. So right now we're just going to claim these. It's not a lot at all. I just want to do it just because I'm here now, so might as well, right? It should turn green. Yep. So I'm gonna get 62 Bitcoin, I believe. That's what it said. Boom. All right. So I'm gonna get 59 Bitcoin. Okay. And most faucets only pay you like 5-6 Bitcoin, but on these faucet websites that I'm using, I get a loyalty program. So every day that you come in, you actually claim your Bitcoin, you can get, look, I forgot to do this one. So we can do this one. You'll get an extra 1% a day, up to 100% a day on more Bitcoin. So if you get, let's say, 10 Bitcoin and you have 100 loyalty percent, then you'll get, I would say, on 100 Bitcoin. So you just 10x your money that you can make every 15 minutes or every 5 minutes. The longer you wait, the more you get. But I think I would recommend every 15 minutes, which is the perfect time. You see, why does it do that? Well, I'm not going to go back into my account because it's going to show my IP address again. But as you can see, look, it says Moon Doge. You would get 25% commission, lifetime referral commission, weekly payments to whatever it was, free Bitcoin. So it has all the websites here. And also, I'll put them down in the description. And if you want to learn or see my Bitcoin bot I'm using, you only pay $3 a month. And you have access to tons, I'm not going to say millions, but tons of Bitcoin faucets that are used. And these are scripts that people write for you. And you don't got to pay $1 for them. So I hope you like this video. I hope you check out the links in the description. And check out my channel. And make sure you see my next video of the Bitcoin bot. This is your average investor, signing out.